Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is a popular spice commonly used in Indian and Southeast Asian cooking. It has been used for centuries, in traditional medicine, to treat various health conditions, and in recent years it has gained popularity in the world as well. This is due to its many health benefits, attributed mainly to its main active ingredient, curcumin. Discover the 10 benefits of adding turmeric to your diet. First of all, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and click on the like button. Prevents cancer. Tested curcumin has anti-cancer properties, which is another one of the benefits of turmeric. It can help reduce the growth of tumors in the body, and prevent the development of certain types of cancer, such as breast, prostate and colon cancer. Curcumin can help inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells by blocking the activity of certain enzymes involved in cancer development. It may also help reduce inflammation, which is a contributing factor in the development of cancer. Prevents heart disease. Curcumin may also help lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and several factors trigger its development, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and inflammation. Curcumin can help improve heart health, physiological anxiety, cholesterol levels, anxiety, and the risk of blood clots. In one study, participants who took curcumin supplements for 8 weeks had a significant reduction in inflammation markers cholesterol and triglycerides. Relieves the pain. When used therapeutically, turmeric helps relieve headaches and joint pain, such as what happens in rheumatoid arthritis, for example, an inflammation of the joints that causes pain and difficulty in locomotion. Help with weight loss. Turmeric can help with weight loss because it has thermogenic action, stimulating energy expenditure and burning body fat. In addition, turmeric helps reduce some inflammatory markers that increase in cases of overweight and obesity, making it a good option to include in weight loss diets. Improves brain function. Turmeric has a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action that helps improve cognitive ability, in addition to preventing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or appearance. Controls diabetes. This medicinal plant improves the functions of the cells of the pancreas, which is the organ responsible for the depression of the hormone insulin, helping to lower blood glucose levels. Therefore, the use of turmeric is a good option for people with insulin resistance or diabetes. Prevent allergic diseases. According to some studies, turmeric helps prevent allergic diseases, such as allergic rhinitis and sinusitis, and asthma, by inhibiting the production of cytokines, which are immune system substances that increase during allergy crises. Treat intestinal problems. Turmeric can help in the treatment of intestinal problems, such as diarrhea, and inflammatory bowel diseases, such as ulcerative colitis, or Crohn's disease, for example, because it addresses inflammation and relieves symptoms. Treat skin problems. Because it has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant action, turmeric can be recommended, in the form of creams, or oral capsules, to complement the treatment of skin problems such as acne, alopecia, dermatitis, oral lichen planus, or psoriasis. Helps reduce depression. Curcumin can influence the balance of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters, that are related to well-being and good mood. Therefore, turmeric can be a good option, as a complementary treatment for some situations such as depression, anxiety, or stress. The most used part of turmeric is its root powder, to season preparations such as soups, meats, and vegetables. In addition, its leaves can also be used in the preparation of some teas. To improve the absorption of antioxidants present in turmeric, this root should be consumed along with oil, such as olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil, for example. The side effects of turmeric are related to its excessive use, which can cause damage to the stomach and seasickness. Despite offering several health benefits, turmeric is contraindicated in people who take anticoagulant medications, or who have blockage of the bile ducts, due to the presence of stones in the blessing. During pregnancy, or breastfeeding period, turmeric should be used only under medical guidance. I hope you liked it and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.